Hi guys, welcome to another tutorials. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video and share my video with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we're going to start the video. In this tutorials we discuss that today's a new tutorial is the get better color halftones effect in Photoshops. Learn how to create more realistic colors, halftone pattern using the Photoshop color halftone filter. The simple trick how to create a halftone dot patterns in a Photoshops. Learn how to turn your photo into the half-toned dot pattern in Photoshop, including how to create a black and white half-tone patterns, how to add a colors. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.